Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale marketing automation with HubSpot detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by evaluating your current marketing processes. Identify repetitive tasks that can be automated. Log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Automation tab in the main dashboard. Explore the Workflows section to see existing automation. Click on Create Workflow to start a new automated process. Choose the type of workflow that fits your marketing goals. Consider using a blank workflow for maximum customization. Configure enrollment triggers based on specific criteria. Set conditions that lead contacts into the workflow. Decide on the actions to take once contacts are enrolled. This may include sending emails, updating properties, or creating tasks. Utilize HubSpot's templates if you need assistance. Personalize your messages for better engagement. Implement lead scoring to prioritize high-value contacts. Test your workflow to ensure it functions as intended. Make adjustments based on performance and feedback. Invest in training for your team to maximize efficiency. Create documentation for future reference and onboarding. Regularly review and optimize your workflows. Monitor analytics to understand effectiveness and ROI. Stay updated on new features in HubSpot for continuous improvement. Consider integrating additional tools for enhanced automation. Share insights and best practices with your team. Encourage collaboration across departments for broader impact. Set realistic timelines for scaling your automation efforts. Finally, celebrate small wins to keep your team motivated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.